Imagine being so fast, so strong, so unstoppable that defenders swore you were not human. Imagine a striker so good that the only way to stop him was to pray he didn't get the ball. This is not Messi, it is not Cristiano. This was before them. This was a man who turned football into a video game cheat code. His name, Ronaldo Luis Nazario de Lima. The world called him El Fenomeno. But before he became a legend, his story was nothing less than a roller coaster. Full of glory, heartbreak and comebacks you wouldn't believe. This is the story of R9, the greatest striker of all time. Ronaldo grew up poor. His parents separated when he was young and life was tough. But when he touched a football, nothing else mattered. At just 16, he signed for Cruzeiro in Brazil. Fans couldn't believe their eyes. This teenager was destroying grown men on the pitch. In Europe, it was the same story. At PSV in Holland, almost a goal every game. Then Barcelona signed him. One season, 47 goals. Defenders were falling like dominoes. People started calling him something new. Oh Fenomeno, the Fenomeno. Ronaldo was the best opponent I have ever faced. That's saying something. This was said by none other than the greatest defender of all time, Paolo Maldini. But just when he looked unstoppable, football hit back. 1998 World Cup final. Hours before the game, Ronaldo suffered a mysterious seizure. Doctors almost didn't let him play, but he did, and he was a shadow of himself. Brazil lost. A year later, the real nightmare came. A brutal knee injury at Inter Milan. Tendon snapped. Months out, he came back. First game, snap again. People said it was over, he will never play again. But legends don't quit. After years of pain, surgery and rehab, Ronaldo came back just in time for the 2002 World Cup. The world thought he was finished, but in Japan and Korea, he became unstoppable again. He scored 8 goals, including 2 in the final against Germany. Brazil lifted their 5th World Cup and Ronaldo was back on top of the world. From broken knees to the biggest stage, this was redemption. Ronaldo is the best striker I have ever seen in my life. Injuries stopped that could have been even bigger, but still he was unique. This was said by Zinedine Zidane. After the World Cup, he joined Real Madrid's Galacticos, packed with stars Zidane, Figo, Beckham, yet still all eyes were on Ronaldo. Goals, trophies, magic. Later he played for Milan and back in Brazil with Corinthians. In 2011, he finally said goodbye to football, but his story didn't end there. It had already been written in history. He was the best player I have ever played with and the most difficult to stop. He was unstoppable. This was said by the greatest left back of all time, Roberto Carlos. Now let me hit you with the facts. Ronaldo scored 15 World Cup goals, a record until Miroslav Klose broke it in 2014. For Brazil, 98 games, 62 goals. At PSV, 54 goals in 57 matches. At Barcelona, 47 goals in 49 games, almost a goal every time he stepped on the pitch. And remember, all this while fighting injuries that would have ended almost anyone else's career. Some say Messi and Cristiano are the greatest, but peak for peak, Ronaldo Nazario was a god. From a boy with no shoes to the king of the World Cup. This is the legend of Ronaldo Nazario, the Fenomeno. Remember the name because the stats never lie. I am Rajveer. Peace out.